Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be cleaning the mattress. I feel like a lot of people don't really know how to take care of the mattress, or don't even think that we should take care of our mattresses, but it's so important to make sure that you clean your mattress very well, because when you're sleeping at night, your skin sheds. As nasty as that sounds, it is true. Your skin sheds, your mattress holds a lot of bacteria and germs in it. So I'm going to show you guys how you guys can get it cleaned and sanitized and freshen it up a little bit. And I'm going to show you a simple way to make sure that your mattress is not the reason why you're getting sick. So let's go ahead and get started. So the best time to sanitize and clean your mattress and freshen it up a little bit is probably right when you wake up, or on the day that you are going to be changing your bed sheets. It was my day to change my bed sheets, so I figured it was a good day to show you guys how I take care of the mattress. Your bed sheets should typically be changed every week or every 2 weeks. Next, you want to take your vacuum and you want to give it a good sweep, because this is where you will pick up some of the dead skin that we do shed at night, and also any dust that has settled on your mattress. And if you don't vacuum your mattress on a regular basis, I am going to suggest that you do so, because once your dust settles in the mattress, it can be a health issue, and you have to understand that when you're sleeping, you do breathe anything that's coming out of your mattress, so you want to make sure it is nice and clean. Now to the little spots that we do see on our mattress. If you spill something, you want to take care of it. Here I was just using some hydrogen peroxide and some vinegar and a little bit of dish soap just to take off the little stain that I had on my mattress. Now I'm going to suggest that if you do have a stain and you see it, take care of it right away. And you also don't want to add too much water or any other liquid on your mattress, because it does go through and then it has nowhere to go, so it does just sit in your mattress, and you don't want that. That's where the bacteria can build up. After you do your spot cleaning, make sure you do have a rug or a cloth that's gonna take off as much moisture and liquid off of the spot that you just cleaned, because you want to make sure that you leave it as dry as possible. Now to the baking soda. I used a good amount of baking soda on my mattress, and I also used, I sifted it so that it can spread evenly on my mattress. As you can see, it's pretty dusty, which is fine. It's just baking soda, but you want to put a good amount on your mattress, because baking soda is known for eliminating odor, and this is where it does freshen up your mattress. You want to leave it on for about 20 minutes, but obviously the longer the better, which will allow the baking soda to work, but 20 minutes should be plenty. So airing out our mattress is so important. Crack your window. In my case, I opened my door, and the air from outside circulates through the mattress, and it allows it to breathe. And now it had been about 20 minutes. I think I left mine on for a little bit longer than 20 minutes, but like I mentioned, 20 minutes is plenty of time to freshen up your mattress. I went back with my Dyson vacuum, and I forgot to mention, for your vacuum, you do need the upholstery attachment, and that's what I'm using here. And I was going in very gently to make sure that I did pick up all of the baking soda. It is white. My mattress is white, so it was hard to see. So I definitely wanted to take my time to vacuum up everything. And you want to get into all those little cracks and crevices in there to make sure that all the baking soda is lifted up. Now let's talk about rotating your mattress. How often do you rotate yours? Or did you even know this is something that has to be done? So you want to rotate your mattress 180 degrees, which means that where your head was is not where your feet will be. This is another way of taking care of the mattress to add to its lifespan. You want your mattress to wear out evenly, if that makes sense. So when you are sleeping on the same side, your body weight just creates a dent and the mattress does wear out unevenly, which can lead to a lot of our back problems. So when you rotate your mattress, do it every 3 months to once a year, which is not much at all. Now to my last tip of this video. If you already don't have one, go ahead and invest in a good quality waterproof mattress protector. This will save you money. It will save you from going to purchase a new mattress because your other one has been ruined. It's easy to wash and take care of, and it does a good job. So make sure it's a good quality one. So if you don't already have one, go ahead and get you one. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new, or if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the notification bell so you do not miss an upload from me. I upload every Tuesdays and Saturdays, so make sure your bell is on so every time I upload you get that notification. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it here. I am so grateful for you guys. Thank you for always coming back and watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.